guys, Rom Guruji here and we are back with another recap review. But before we get into that, if you're new here, press that subscribe button and the bell icon for all the notifications and let's get started. So this time I have the Boult Audio Probass Thunder with me for a recap review. And now why am I doing this? Because these headphones look really cool with this outfit. Yeah, that's it. No. They are available on Flipkart for 599 rupees. And let me tell you why that's an amazing deal. So firstly, they come extremely well packed in a well polished box. Obviously their MRP is 1300, so that is there. But moreover, there's faux leather on the headbands, so that means comfortable head wearing. Now the ear cups also have faux leather and moreover they have a little movement that is given, right? So a lot of times when you're using over the ear headphones, what happens is if the headband moves a little, your ear also moves with it. But in the case of this, if you put it on, the headband might move, but the ear cups don't, and they don't because there is this slight axis movement given here. This is not breakage, but this is actually a feature here that is given to movement. So that is really good. Moreover, the design, if you've seen, is very minimalistic and stylish. So if you're wearing this, even if you go outside, it's not going to look like it's over the top. It looks very minimalistic. Even the branding is in such a minimalistic way. It looks very clean and polished and upmarket. Now you will ask me, okay, so is this Bluetooth enabled? Yes, it has Bluetooth. The quality is great. The range is also amazing. Obviously the range will not be as equivalent as the top notch 13,000 headphones if you're looking for that, but for the range of 599 which you're getting them at right now, it's amazing. And even for 1300 it was amazing. At 599 it is superb. Quality of audio, amazing. Yes, if you're gaming, I would totally tell you there is a certain amount of lag and you can use the cable that is provided with it to directly connect the cable to your phone for a latency less gaming if you're into that. But if you're just listening to music or watching movies, this is amazing. One, because the ear cups cover your whole ears, so the outside noise does not come in and you're extremely engrossed in the movie, so your entertainment is not bothered. Moreover, it is a very bass heavy headphone, but the bass does not dominate too much on other parts and you can hear music very nicely and it's so clean and so nice to hear. It's almost as having a home theater in your ears. The sound stage is really wide and amazing. Moreover, this has one of the biggest drivers in the industry at this price point. So yes, obviously you're going to get a great dynamic bass and that's assured. Boult Audio has one of the best audio qualities I have seen. And as far as the build goes, yes, the build is plastic, so yeah, it is not exactly top of the line per se, but yeah, at this price point it is a very robust build and you don't feel as if it's a very flimsy pair of headphones. It's really great quality. One thing I do mind is micro USB charging because I don't find micro USB is reliable, but it's still fine. Again, also one more thing that people look out for when they're buying Bluetooth headphones, whether they have mic or not. So yes, this does have microphone capabilities. You can take calls and you can talk on phone with this. Now in quieter environments, the audio quality is amazing from the mic, but if you go in a lot crowded area, the mic quality drops. You can't use the mic feature if you've connected it with audio jack. So these are some things. And now will I tell you to buy it? Obviously I will tell you to buy it because at 599 this is a steal. I usually connect this to my laptop for gaming because it's such an amazing sound step and you can hear everything so clearly and great 3D effect, great surround effect. So yeah, if you're one of the laptop gamers, I would totally suggest this because it is cheap but has extremely high quality. If you are into a lot of music, I would totally suggest you because it is amazing. Also it's waterproof, so if you're exercising, it's not going to be a problem. It's an amazing headphone at an amazing price right now, and you heard it from here, it's an amazing deal. Now if you did like the video, please like, share and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, it would mean a lot to the channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.